At the end of the day, probably the easiest way to explain libido is that it's the level of sexual desire that someone has. While this kind of drive can differ based on all kinds of things like hormonal shifts, the kind of meds that people are on, one's lifestyle, the quality of their relationship, and even their views on sex and its purpose, if there's one thing that many medical professionals can agree on, it's the fact that diet can play a significant role in affecting if someone's libido is high or low. Spinach. You probably grew up hearing that you needed to eat your vegetables, especially the green ones. And, when it came to those green veggies, you probably came across spinach quite a bit. Well, as far as your sex drive goes, there are a few reasons why you should prepare some of it, at least a couple of times a week. Spinach is a great source of folate and magnesium, both of which can increase blood flow to the genital region. Watermelon. It's best to eat foods when they are in season, that way, you can get the most nutrients from them. They tend to taste a lot better when they're in season too. Well, when it comes to watermelon, May through September is the best time of year to partake of this particular fruit. This is great to know because watermelon is a fruit that hydrates, is a good source of fiber, and helps to reduce bodily inflammation as well as oxidative stress. As if that's not a good enough reason to enjoy a few slices, watermelon also has the nickname Natural Viagra. WebMD shares that the main reason is thanks to the amino acid citrulline. It helps to produce nitric oxide in a man's system which, in turn, helps his blood vessels to dilate. Blood vessel dilation also plays a role in intensifying orgasms, so watermelon is definitely the kind of food that can take your sex life to a whole other level. Grapes. Another fruit that can do wonders for your sex life is grapes. They are rich in flavonoids and, not only is that connected to improving the quality of a man's erection, but red grapes also have the plant pigment quercetin in them. That's important to know because it has anti-inflammatory properties in it that can increase blood flow down below. Pomegranate juice. Although pomegranates are pretty much only available during the fall season, they still contain enough health benefits to receive a mention here. Pomegranates are high in antioxidants, contain anti-inflammatory properties, can lower your blood pressure, and are full of vitamins E and K. What makes this fruit so good for your sex life is it also helps to reduce oxidative stress while increasing testosterone levels in both men and women. When testosterone is elevated, sexual desire is too. Another bonus is pomegranates can help to make you feel happier and they can improve fertility in men too. Salmon. Is there anything more delicious than a fresh piece of grilled salmon? And here's the thing, every time that you sit down to enjoy it, you are getting a big dose of omega-3 fatty acids into your system. That's a good thing because fatty acids help to relieve depression and anxiety, improve brain health and vision, fight heart disease, lower ADHD in children, and help to fight autoimmune diseases too, and that's just for starters. Sexually, omega-3s can do wonders for your libido. Studies reveal that not only can they help to improve sperm quality and decrease infertility issues in men, this is the type of nutrient that can also elevate dopamine levels in both men and women. This is good for your sex life because dopamine is a neurotransmitter that helps your system to feel pleasure and satisfaction, two things you definitely want to experience during those special moments with your partner. Pumpkin seeds. Snack on pumpkin seeds as well in order to strengthen your muscular contractions, so that you can have more intense orgasms. They are able to assist you in this way due to the amino acid myosin that's in them. Another perk when it comes to pumpkin seeds is they're directly associated with maintaining men's prostate health. The better state a man's prostate is, the greater chance he has of not experiencing erectile dysfunction, which is always a good thing.